The pandemic underscored the critical nature of childcare in supporting our country's 20 million working parents. 1 in 4 women became unemployed last year, not due to lack of jobs, but because of problems finding affordable and available childcare. And joining us to share how one local business is stepping up to help their employees cope and succeed is the Director of Human Resources for Dr. Bronners, Lilia Vergara. Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Last year, so many parents had to make personal sacrifices, downshifting their schedules or dropping out of work altogether due to lack of childcare. As a local business and one of the top-selling natural brand soaps in North America, what are you at Dr. Bronner's doing to mitigate that crisis?
So the childcare problem is real. I mean, the problem is not just at Dr. Bronner's. A lot of our local businesses are seeing something similar. This is a problem for both parents and employers. And a couple of the things that we're doing is we're really listening to our parents. And a lot of times, all they need is just a flex schedule to be able to meet their demands at home as well as the company's needs. One of the things that we've done is we partnered up with Tootris to really have a turnkey program where they could pair up parents and the providers so that they could find a solution for their childcare needs. A lot of parents we know have different hours that they need, whether it's before or after school care or even weekends.
Having a safe place for your kids to thrive during work hours is essential to be able to enter and stay in the workforce. And at Dr. Bronner's, you're leading the charge in key programs to enhance company culture. What are your employees telling you are their greatest needs?
Consistently in our employee surveys, we are hearing that childcare is a top worry that a lot of our working parents are facing. And so one of the things that Tootris has helped us and is able to do for these parents is able to provide a licensed, safe place, which puts parents at ease and really they don't have to worry, and their anxiety is a lot less because now they know they're in a space where they can thrive.
For working parents, childcare is only second to healthcare as a benefit. How are you working to bridge that gap and meet that need by partnering with Tootris?
So we know that childcare is expensive. So Dr. Bronners has really stepped up their child assistance program. So this year we're offering up to $7,500 a year so that parents can utilize this program. And so we've synced our childcare assistance program with Tootris so that it's easy for parents to utilize the benefit. So they can find their provider, they're able to pay for their services right on a platform that's easy to use. And then they don't have to worry about the billing, the reimbursements, that a lot of times some of these are extra steps for these types of benefits.
To learn more about how to guarantee childcare for your employees, improve morale and productivity, and retain top talent, log on to Tootris.com. And I'd imagine a lot of working parents out there are hoping their employers follow Dr. Bronner's lead. Lilia, we thank you so much for sharing your time and your insight with us today.
Great. Thanks for having me.
And we thank you for joining us in San Diego Living. We'll see you next time.